We don't want one computer being the leader, not even temporarily. There are other ways of doing ledgers. Voting-based systems are 30 years old. The math is beautiful. The guarantees are beautiful. They're really nice. And no one's ever used them, as far as I know, these voting algorithms, because they are so incredibly slow. You have to send gazillions of votes over the internet and receipts on votes, and it just blows up and you can't do it. So to my knowledge, no one's actually applied these in the wild. And then you have HashGraph, which is none of the above. It's this weird thing. In HashGraph, here's how it works. We all want to do transactions. You know, my transaction might be to move some money from one account to another, or my transaction might be to store a file in our network, or my transaction might be to run a smart contract, a little program that enforces some rules. So we all put our transactions into the network anytime we want to. Any computer can put in their transactions. And when you have a transaction, you tell everybody else in the fastest way we know in computer science, and the most resilient way we know, which is a gossip protocol. It's used all over the place. You just tell somebody at random, and now 2 of you know it. And then each of you tell someone at random. Now 4 of you know it. Then each of the 4 of you tell someone at random. Now 8 of you know it. And it keeps doubling. And so in 10 steps, 1,000 people know it. In 20 steps, 1,000,000 people know it. In 30 steps, 1,000,000,000 people know it. It just explodes outwards exponentially fast. Spreads as fast as gossip spreads rumors in an office. That's why it's called a gossip protocol.